Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to monitor cloud AI performance metrics in 2026 step by step. So whether you're running AI models for business automation, analytics, or machine learning projects, yeah, tracking performance metrics is extremely important for reliability and optimization. Monitoring performance helps you understand how well your AI systems are working. Uh, it can also help detect slow responses, prediction errors, or resource issues before they become major problems. Dashboards make performance tracking much easier by organizing metrics into clear charts and reports. The goal isn't just collecting data. Yeah, the real goal is improving AI performance by optimizing infrastructure, models, and workflows. Try avoiding incomplete monitoring setups or ignoring small warning signs. I mean, minor issues can become major outages if left unchecked. And that's basically the full guide to monitoring cloud AI performance metrics in 2026. Keep tracking your systems consistently and use analytics to improve reliability, efficiency, and scalability over time.